Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version in Android devices. For example, if you search for a specific app on Play Store and you face this kind of error, then I will tell you how you can fix that. First of all, you have to go back in Google Play Store. After that, you have to simply click on profile of your Google Play Store. After that, you have to simply click on settings. In settings, what you have to do is you have to click on about. In about, what you have to do is you have to simply search for Play Store version. Here you have to click on update Play Store. If you click on that, it is showing Google Play Store is up to date. So in this way, you can update your Google Play Store if it is already updated. So you have to go back and you have to do the next setting which can help you to fix this error. You have to close the Play Store. After that, you have to open your settings. In settings, what you have to do is you have to look for apps or application manager. In apps or application manager, what you have to do, you have to scroll down and you have to look for Google Play services. You have to click on that. Here you have to click on storage and you have to clear the cache of Google Play services. After that, you have to go back and you have to also clear the cache of Google Play Store. After that, you have to click on storage and you can also clear the cache of Google Play Store. After doing all the things, you can check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can again open the setting of your device and you can scroll down, and here you can look for any kind of software updates which is available on your device. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to update your device. After updating your device, you have to restart your device and check again whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can change your device and install another device and check whether it works on another device or not, because many Android apps not works on Android devices which have lower Android version. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.